How to organize projects in Trello for your business. In this 2025 guide, I will walk you through the essential steps, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open your Trello and then click the Create New Board and give it a name like Marketing Campaign and then click Create. Step 2. You can create lists such as To Do, Doing, or Done, and this will structure your project flow. Step 3. Each task should be a card. You can add details like when are you going to do the logos, the infographics, and all. And then assign team members to your specific cards. Step 4, you can add labels for task categories and checklists to break the tasks into smaller steps. Step 5, you can use Trello's Butler automation to move your cards automatically when you are completed, so it can save you a time. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.